Hi, this is Dr. Arne Strasser, and this is a tape to accompany Tai Chi For Wellness, and these are notes for Class 2. Just as in the first class notes, it's important to emphasize relaxation when you're doing the form, but please be gentle on yourself also and realize that you're trying to imprint some complicated motions, and the relaxation part will increase as you learn these motions better. It's going to take some time. If Tai Chi wasn't a little difficult, then it wouldn't be anywhere near as interesting. So we are now going to go through what we learned in Class 2. In this Class 2, we're going to learn, and am learning, the 4 different moves. White crane spreads its wings, very beautiful move. Brush knee, twist step. Play the pipa, and then repulse the monkey. So let's go over them. First of all, white crane spreads its wings. You remember that we ended up with part the wild horse's mane, and we ended up in this type of posture. Our hand gently next to the hip bone, our arm straight out here. Again, we're always working with circles, watching a circle here. There's even a circle here, so our hands aren't out like this. Our arms aren't like that out this. We have, you can see, a circle here in a sense. So we end with part the wild horse's mane. Right step, you're going to do half step. You're going to shift your weight to the right, and you're going to open your toe. So let's go through that first little part. You're like this as you're ending, part the wild horse's mane. Half step with your right, shift your weight to the right, and open your toe. By open your toe, it's not the heel, it's the toe that you are going to have open. So the heel is up. Then you're going to bring this left hand across your chest, and it is going to end up at the left hip joint. So you've got your open toe. You're going to bring this left arm across so that it floats above your right hip. Your right arm is going to, in sync with that, bring itself up and then just come in this type of position. It's important. You don't want to be like this. You don't want to be like this. You're somewhat in the center. And again, look at the hand. It's not like this. It's relaxed. When you're first learning, things might be a little tighter. Don't worry. But eventually, these are going to be very smooth, relaxed moves that are going to flow one into the other. Let's go back. You've now ended the part the wild horse's mane. Half step in, open toe left, bring this left hand across, and bring this hand up, and like this. Let me do that just more faced forward, or maybe from this direction. So now you would have ended up like this. Half step in, open toe, bring this arm across, and it's up like this. Now, of course, you're looking straight ahead. So let's try to do that again. I was trying to talk to you there. You're going to end up like this. Part the wild horse's mane. Half step in, open toe, bring this across simultaneously. This right arm comes up, and boom, you're the white crane. That's what you want to work on. Okay? The second one you're doing is brush knee twist step. You now in the white crane position. Now you want to bring this right arm down, 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 down. You're going to twist your body. You're going to come around, as they say, and pick up energy here. Step out, heel, toe. Bring your hand across this knee. This is the brush knee part, and then the energy is going to be a controlled energy going forward. Bring your weight back. Bring the left foot out. Here you make a hesitant step, and you make a circle just really quickly, not like part the wild horse's mane where you're compressing a circle. You're just bringing the circle here a little bit, because right away you're going to step out. You're going to take your eyes to that hand. You're going to pick up the energy. You're going to bring it forward, and you're going to brush the knee. And then one more time. Bring that right out, hesitant step, and like this. Let's try to do it from another direction. Maybe with my back to you right from the beginning. So remember that you've now done your white crane, open toe. You've done your white crane like this. Then you're going to bring the energy. Watch that hand. So you're going to step forward with the left. Brush the left knee while this hand goes forward. Look at the position of this hand. Again, it's not like this. It's not like this. In this particular move, it's a little bit of this kind of move. You're going to be bringing it this way. Step back, bring your foot out, hesitant step. The circles, just for a second, you're going to get rid of that circle quickly. Your eyes are going to watch as you pull your energy here and bring that forward as you brush across your right knee. Step back. Hesitant step, and you're going to do it a third time. Okay? So you can see that, as I said in class, part the wild horse's mane and the move we just did, brush knee twist step, has the same footwork. And they're both 3 units. They both occur 3 times. Let's go back to the white crane spreads its wings. Boom, such a beautiful move. Now we go. I'm going to speed it up here a little bit. 1, 2, and 3. And you remember that the first one, part the wild horse's mane, where you compress the ball, was also 1, 2, 3. So you started with preparation. You went to commencement. You then did 3 moves of part the wild horse's mane. Then the white crane spread its wings, and then brush knee twist step, picked up energy, controlled energy for that move. Then after you've done that, we look at the third one. Play the pipa. As I said, the pipa is a lute. It sits on the thigh and it's played. So this move, as we come out of our last brush knee twist step, half step in, but now we're going to do a heel step. Heel, so this is how you are, like that. Not open toe, but a heel. So let's go back. You've done the brush knee twist step like this, half step, boom, boom. Then this is like da, dump. And I spoke about it as 2 discs parallel to each other. This hand's going along the disc this way, the other hand's going along the disc the other way. A little complicated, and we can work on it more, but basically you've done this now, like this, half step in, boom, boom, just like that, okay? It's like, boom. So you can see where you end up. This left hand's gonna end up here, this right hand's gonna end up here. It takes a little while to get that particular move, especially the hand motions. We're gonna go over it more. Finally, repulse the monkey. Oh, it's a fun move. Basically, you've now done your play the pipa, like this. Now, you're going to turn around this way. This hand's going to go straight up like this, and I'm going to turn around in a minute so you can see it a little more clearly. You're going to step back with the left, push across the left palm. The energy is going to be picked up here. Now this palm is going to open up, and you're going to push across here. Same thing, you're just going to be repeating these things 4 times. This is the third one. This way. And finally, one more way, like this. Good. So you can see that you're moving back if you're, and now have done your play the pipa. Watch this hand. This hand's going to go, this arm is going to go like this as if it's picking up energy. You're looking in this direction, looking straight ahead of you. It's as if you got a monkey or something negative or a challenge or however you want to look at it, right there. So your eyes want to go right for that monkey. And then you're going to lift that up. You're going to step back with the left, push energy toward that monkey. You're repulsing the monkey. Turn this hand, push back again. Turn this hand, push back again. And push back again, 4 movements. I'm not concerned here with my perfect form. That's not what I'm looking for. We're going to pick up on some of that as we go along. What I'm interested in now is just showing you the basics so that you start to imprint these moves, and then we're going to refine it. So for instance, even with repulse the monkey, when you're like this with play the pipa, when we finally do it, we're going to watch that hand, we're going to come back. It's going to be a very controlled move, and we're going to be working on our form, how our hands are, how our hips are moving. We're going to perfect that, but right now, we're just trying to imprint the basic motions, and that's the purpose of these class notes too. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in class, and if you're not taking this class and you're using this video to help you learn Tai Chi, I hope it helps.